Stop, shut back up.
Who's making eggs?
It's bacon.
God damn it! I told you it's Canadian bacon! Get it right! You hear that? Canadian bacon.
No, Canadian fucking bacon.
Yes, fucking bacon.
What is this shit?
Canadian fucking
This
bacon.
ain't bacon?
Canadian bacon.
Canadian bacon, baby.
Toma, what are you doing up there?
Obviously, I'm flying.
You're flying? You believe you can fly?
Look here, Huntington!
Go ahead, take off. Leave my own ass here. See if I care. Just wait till you come back, and you'll see what it's like, brother. Here comes that stanky ass Willy Bob, thinking he's badass and everything in this car. He needs to get smacked up his head. Yeah, right. Pulls over. Oh yeah, I'm bad. I'm cool. Oh yeah, I'm cool. I'm so. Yeah, I'm bitching. Yeah, I'm a woman killer. Oh yeah, I'm great, man.
You were stranded.
Oh yeah. That's why you left my ass here, right?
Of course. Come on. You're being a jerk.
Come on, you know better than that. You know that you're the one who blew up the boat. You blow up shit and then you blame me.
No.
Yeah, you do.
No,
You
You
fool.
want to be a Mr. Speed.
Hey, don't
Hey.
cut that out, man. Hey, this. Oh shit!
You saw that kick?
I saw that
That's
kick.
A flying Willy Bob kick.
That's a wide flying Willy Bob that almost made it a half inch off the ground,
Hey.
brother.
Speaking of boat, look at this.
Woo!
1973. Wherever you're at. Boat tail.
Woo!
That.
Boat tail. What the hell's that mean?
What do you mean? What the hell? Look at this. Look at this.
Woo! It looks like you're gonna get rude with that thing. This is a family show.
Is it? Oh God. What? Look at this. What do you think about this, Tomo?
I love it, man. I think it looks great. If you get out of the damn shot, it would look better. But you know, it's all right. I think this is a sweet, sweet ride. It's actually Willy Bobbish, if you ask me.
Quick bumper. Look at this.
Woo! You know that front end of this thing looks like you when you're pissed off.
Does it?
Exactly.